Today we're going to be baking bread from scratch with our hands. So we need to bake it for about 30 minutes. It makes 2 loaves. Some of the ingredients that we need right here, just yeast, sugar, warm water, salt, flour, and a little bit of oil. That's all you ever need to make a decent loaf of bread. What we start with are the ingredients shown here. We dissolve the yeast in about 1/2 teaspoon sugar in warm water, and we let stand until we see kind of a white foam on the surface. Then we take the rest of the sugar, the salt, and 3 cups of the flour, and we mix it into this wonderful bowl we have here. Then we stir the oil into the yeast mixture, and from there, we actually take the oil and yeast mixture and pour it into the flour mix and beat it until smooth. What we're also going to then be doing is taking the remainder of the flour, which is about 3 cups, and about 1/2 cup at the time, we mix it in order to make a soft dough. We then take this dough and turn it out onto a floured surface, and of course, our neighbor's hard head does not count, or mine for that matter. Then we knead. You just push and pull on the dough until it is elastic, stretchy, and smooth. Then we take it and put it into a grease bowl. You can pretty much use any grease that you want. We turn it in order to grease the top, and we cover and let it rise in a warm place. This is only about 75 to 80 degrees until the volume is doubled. Then we punch it down, just like these guys are doing right here in our yard. Punching it down is really delicate. You just need to remove all the volume. Then you turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface, separate it into the 2 loaves, each into their own greased 9 by 5 inch pan. And we rise again, just about 1 hour. It may be doubled, but basically it comes up to just over the rim. An hour or so into this, then you preheat your oven to 375. Bake it for about 30 minutes or so until the bread is golden brown, and the bread basically sounds hollow when it's done. Now we have these wonderful loaves that have come out from the oven. These 2 took about 30 minutes even to bake. We remove them from the pans and we put on some cooling racks. And definitely we keep them out of the reach of large wolfhounds or any other large dog as well, because they would devour this bread completely, perhaps twice. I always like to have a slice fresh right out of the oven. It's a little hard to slice. It's much easier sliced when it's cool. And then so we freeze what we won't use in the next couple of days in order to keep it fresh. And here we have some more information on our websites. Thanks very much for tuning in, and have fun making some wonderful tasting bread.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Particularly with our gratuitous wolfhound pictures.